Today we are going to discuss why should you learn Python in 2022. First of all, Python is very easy to learn. It's the easiest programming language nowadays. It's very much beginner friendly. Nowadays you'll see school children are learning the fast programming languages, Python, because the syntax is very user friendly. It's almost like English language. You don't have to learn a lot of syntax. The code will naturally flow. So that's one of the reasons. Now, Python is the most popular programming language today, and it's extremely versatile. No matter whatever is your problem, there is a solution in Python. Let's say you want to find out what is the mortgage interest rate. You want to calculate that. Python is there. Let's say you want to write down or programmatically create a Word document. Python has a solution. Okay, you want to do web scraping, searching in the internet. For every such thing, there is a solution in Python. Python is extremely versatile. Many open source library. Yeah, this is really the greatest strength of Python. So for any problem, there is a library. Already there is a built-in library. All you have to do, just use this library and learn the syntax, and that's it. You're good to go. So there are so many open source libraries. For example, your image processing, machine learning, word processing, Excel processing, email processing, you name it. There is a built-in library for that. Wide range of applications. Yeah, Python has been used extremely widely in many applications. For example, you want to do web development, you want to build an app, you want to do machine learning, artificial intelligence. So every places, or even you want to do financial data analysis, stocks, predictions. So all these cases, there is Python has a solution. High market demand. Of course, there is very high market demand. If you look at the job market today, if you look at last 3 days, this is 2022. If you look at the graph of Python job demand, you'll see the Python is growing exponentially. Yeah, that's another reason. High paid jobs. And yeah, this is a programming language which is very easy to learn, and this is a programming language. If you learn, you are going to get a high paid job. Now you may ask me, okay, why are not people are learning? So that's because Python is not very old, it's comparatively new. However, if you learn Python, it will take very less time for you to learn, and you are going to get high paid jobs. Now Python is very popular in the field of data science, web and app development. I think part of it I already mentioned earlier. Large development community. Yes, that's right. So Python, if you go to any of the popular development community, let's say if you want to go to Stack Overflow or any other places, there is a huge development community and there are help available. So if you are stuck on anything, there are experts, they're going to help you. And yeah, it has a large development community and it is growing exponentially. Good documentation. Yeah, if you go to python.org, there is good documentation for every subject. There is a documentation, and the most important part is you can write just literally one line of code and test it, and that's the beauty of it. So it's very easy to test. You have good documentation, you have good help. All you need to do is to decide today that yes, I'm going to learn this amazing programming language, and that's all you need. Thank you.